For the last 10 years, every developer conference has had the same joke. PHP is dead. But in 2026, something changed. Let's talk about it. First, a reality check. According to W3 Techs in March 2026, 73.3% of all websites with a known server-side language still run PHP. WordPress alone powers more than 40% of the entire web. PHP never actually left, but for years it was uncool. That's the part that changed. 4 things happened in the last 12 months that flipped the narrative. Laravel Cloud, FrankenPHP, Filament, and Livewire 4. Each one would be interesting on its own. Together, they changed the whole picture. First, Laravel Cloud. Launched on February 24, 2025, this is first-party hosting from the Laravel team itself. There's a free sandbox tier, production starts at $20 a month plus usage, and it scales serverlessly. For years, deploying Laravel meant wiring up Forge, Envir, a VPS, a database, and a queue worker. Now it's one Git push. This is what shipping a Laravel app looks like in 2026. Git push. Done. Need a Postgres database. One command. Need a queue worker. It's a toggle. Need scheduled cron jobs already running. The deploy story finally caught up with Versal and Railway. Second, FrankenPHP. This is a brand new PHP server built on top of Caddy. It does what Nginx plus PHP FPM used to do, but in one single binary. It ships HTTP3 and automatic HTTPS out of the box, and it benchmarks at roughly 4 times faster than Swoole or RoadRunner. The whole production stack collapses into one file. Here's a complete production Dockerfile for a Laravel app using FrankenPHP. 3 lines. No Nginx config. No PHP FPM pool tuning. No supervisor. This used to take an entire afternoon. Now it takes 3 lines. Third, Filament. This is an open-source admin panel and UI framework for Laravel. Over 30,000 GitHub stars, version 4 shipped in 2026, and it lets you build a complete admin dashboard with tables, forms, filters, and charts in an afternoon. This is the part that's pulling in agencies and SaaS startups. This is what a complete admin resource looks like in Filament. A searchable, paginated, filterable users table, with forms, with validation, with role-based access, about 15 lines of code. The same thing in React would be a project. In Filament, it's a file. Fourth, the developer experience finally caught up. Livewire 4 lets you build fully reactive front ends, with no React, no Vue, no JavaScript framework at all. And Laravel Herd gives you a working PHP environment on Mac or Windows in about 30 seconds. No Docker, no Vagrant, no MAMP. Click the installer you're coding. It's not all rainbows. PHP outside the Laravel ecosystem is still mostly WordPress. The job market is split between modern Laravel shops and legacy maintenance roles, and you need to know which one you're applying to. And for highly interactive front ends, you still want React or Vue. Livewire isn't a replacement for everything. The bigger pattern is this. Taylor Otwell and the Laravel team built an end-to-end developer experience. Framework, hosting, admin tooling, front end, dev environment, all from one team. That's what made Rails feel magical in 2008. PHP just rebuilt that magic 20 years later. PHP isn't trending. PHP is shipping. If this video changed how you think about PHP, hit subscribe. More framework deep dives coming.